animals. Forests belong to all of us.
They impact our lives every day. But like any superhero, forests face villains. Illegal logging, climate change and habitat destructions threaten their existence. We can save our forests by planting more trees, stopping illegal cutting and managing them wisely. By working together, we can make a huge difference and ensure our forests stay strong for future generations to come.
Let us join forces like the Avengers of Conservation. Let us save our forests, protect our planet, and make sure everyone gets to enjoy their superhero powers for years to come. Now, please put your hands together for the graceful dancers from Gyan class.
நாய் நரி பூனைக்கும் தான் இந்த ஏரி குளம் கூட சொந்தம்